Hello, Zulily fans. Thanks for tuning in. This is Joe, your resident toy expert and fan at Zulily, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. We are going to be talking about one of my favorite things, Lego bow ties. I'm sure you've seen me on some other videos, and I'm always wearing my patented Lego bow ties, and I thought it'd be a fun thing to share with you how I come up and get inspired by the Lego bricks and the characters and build a Lego bow tie right here with you. You can see I have a couple of my Marvel bow ties out here because we are celebrating all things Marvel in this video as well. Getting excited for everything that's coming out from the amazing people at Marvel. And here at Zulily, we always have something fun for you, whether it be toys, movie related. There's always something fun to find and discover at Zulily, so always check us out. Always something new every day. And speaking of new, I'm going to build you a new Lego bow tie right here. My inspiration for this bow tie is going to be the latest superhero, Captain Marvel here, Carol Danvers herself. I like to take inspiration from the costumes. And so we're just going to start building right away here. I like to sort my brick by color first, and that always helps me start building. Let us know about your creative inspiration at home. If you have a little builder at home that loves to create their own Lego sets from no instructions, just their imagination, we want to hear what they love to create. Do they love to create stuff they get to wear, like crowns or robot arms, what have you? I love to wear my Lego bow ties out and about all day long. Quite the conversation starter. And then, oh, I have to show you this kind of cool tip and trick here. So this is neat. If you have the flat pieces here, if you get 3 flat pieces, it creates the same height as a normal piece right there. So pretty cool tip and trick there. Got some flat pieces, put 3 together, and they're the same size as a normal brick. Pretty cool. All right, we're going to keep building here. It's all about interlocking when you're building any creation with no instructions. A sturdy build is one that interlocks. Your Lego builder at home knows that. They're going to tell you that. And let me tell you, no Lego brick goes to waste. These are all from my collection. There's no set that has these pieces. They're just from all the pieces I've collected, oh my goodness, for a very long time. And I'm always buying more Lego sets on Zulily. So there's always something fun to be had. No Lego sets go to waste. I mean, if you have a builder that, you know, one week they're into Nexo Knights, the next week they're into DC, the next week they're into Lego City or Creator, it's all right. Keep purchasing, keep buying, keep collecting, because it's all about amassing this brick collection so you can design your own things. So this is what I like to do here. I had her costume has kind of a red top there with the yellow trim and then navy blue the rest of the way. So let's wrap this up here. Gonna keep finishing off the bow tie. My Lego bow ties. I'm up to 75 different Lego bow ties now that I have at home. Oh boy, tons of fun. Okie dokie. Oh, that's exciting. All right, and let's just finish off the bottom here. I got a couple pre-builds here so we could move right along. Probably the hardest part about building a Lego bow tie is finding the pieces. So it's all about sorting. As long as you got your pieces sorted, you're in good shape. Sort those pieces by color. We've got some sorting options even on Lego here on Zulily.com, so you can always find some cool solutions here. Oh, look at that. Let's do the cool little insert here where it looks like part of her belt there at the bottom. That'd be fun. There we go, a little red flare action on the bottom. Fantastic. And that is our Lego bow tie. Oh, and then we're going to finish it off. This is fun. Like I said, no piece goes to waste. This star piece is a brand new piece from the Lego Movie 2 sets. And boy, it works out perfect to recreate the star from Captain Marvel's uniform. There we go. That's what it looks like. Let's take a look at it. Oh, very nice. I'll be wearing that one today. Thank you, Captain Marvel. For now, I'm wearing my awesome Spider-Man one, and he's hanging up upside down. And thanks for hanging out with us. We had so much fun building. We'd love to hear from you. What do you create? Give us some tips and tricks. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.